Today we're looking at how some of these shiny Pokemon sound. I found it rather interesting. Jose! Jose! Dave! Dave! Positive Pokemon Player! Positive Pokemon Player! These Pokemon are a trip, fam.